What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jazmine Tania, and by the title of this video, you already know what I'm doing. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Why not if you're here? Okay, so as y'all can see, my hair is already braided. I got my cap on. The hair that I got is a Remy Brazilian curly wig. This is it. It's in here. This is not a sponsored video. I will not be shouting them out. So, yeah. Okay. This is it right off the pack. This is what it looks like. It's pretty plucked already, but I might pluck it still. It's 20 inches. Okay. I think I'm gonna do it as a middle part. All right, y'all. So I plucked it. This is what it looks like. Alright, now I'm about to install it. This. Alright, it is completely dry. It is dry. As y'all can see, y'all see like the little parts right here. That's the like up, like this little thing right there. I'm about to cut these off. But this is how it's looking so far. I'm only doing it in the middle because it's about to be in the middle part. So I got some got to be glue. Cut these two. I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes. I got some mousse I'm about to put it on there. I'm tying this down one last time and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, this is how it turned out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Join the gang. Thanks a lot.